So hi everyone, this is Afsal from Hedgewealth. So today I'm going to give you an introduction about the trades which I took today. So the first trade was on Axis Bank. So the reason for making the trade on Axis Bank, as per my analysis on Bank Nifty is under today the Bank Nifty had a gap up opening of something around 1.2%. So whenever the Bank Nifty is having a gap up, such a huge gap up on a pre-market, the chances of getting a fill for a gap up opening is very less. So taking those things into consideration, I have planned my entry for a long position. So as you can see that the stock is having a broken my level of resistance area. Then I'm just waiting for this particular level to get tested once again, because the stock is on a bullish mode. So once the stock has given me a retest at this particular point, I'm just making my entry based on retest and expecting the stock to give me a 1:2 risk reward ratio. So unfortunately my stop loss just got triggered at this particular candle. A huge volume of sellers came in and it has hunted my stop loss. So I have made a loss of 0.4%, 0.48% on Axis Bank. So that will be it on Axis Bank for today. So due to the huge sellers volume and it is a full size candle, once it has retested the same level of resistance, I'm just making a sell side position. I'm just flipping my position. So I have made a loss. Now I'm making another position because my view has changed. It has given a volume on the seller's side. So once it has retested this point, I'll have a stop loss at day's high and expecting the stock to give me a target of anything more than 1%. So I'm expecting the Axis Bank to give me a downward momentum in few hours or something. So that will be the trade on Axis Bank. Let's see what happens on this. So Axis Bank has given me the target. So as you can see, it took a while for this particular stock to give me this target. But as I was expected, the stock has given me the momentum and it has given me the target. But the overall the Bank Nifty was kind of a range motion today. So still it has given me the momentum just on this. So let's see. So I'm making a short entry on Bharati Airtel. So Bharati Airtel is having a super selling pressure at this point, and as compared to the market depth, it is having more sellers, and sellers are getting into play. So and it is respecting the 10 EM line. So I'm just shorting the stock at this particular level and keeping my stop loss just above that swing high. And so let's see what happens on this Bharati Airtel. So expecting a target of anything above 1%. So Bharati Airtel has given me the momentum, but what happened, I was expecting the moment to happen once it reaches the day's low. But so based on in 15 minutes, it has given me a drop. So I eventually trailed my stop loss and it has hit my trailing stop loss. So I am exiting this position. So I'm shorting ICICI Bank around this point and keeping my stop loss around 0.5%, just a little bit above the day side. That's what I'm planning to keep. So the reason for making this trade is like as compared to the Bank Nifty, I'm just making this trade. Bank Nifty is dropping. So Axis Bank has given me already it has given me the target, but I'm expecting a drop on ICICI Bank also. So let's see. So what happened is like the time is already past 2:30, so I have exited this particular trade at a loss of 0.4%, just because the market is kind of really choppy. As you can see that it's moving sideways. So that will be it on ICICI Bank. I'll give a short explanation of the rest of the video. How my trades were, like whatever the stock I was analyzing and why did I didn't get any kind of entries. I'm doing it a short short video on that. Just stay on this.